So I wanted to frame that because I think it's important for everyone to first understand why there is something very unique about this moment. And again, it's technology, but it's also the business model that should be considered. So the second thing is, and this really comes into what we do, and I'll keep this part far shorter. I mean, the simple thing that we do is when you want to now potentially create your own large language model, these are some of the things that our organization comes into work with these organizations is, okay, let's create your own large language model that's now your own proprietary LLM. So now we can add more bells and whistles, customizations, and also most importantly, we can secure your data so that it's private and not being utilized. Because even though I did share that this pay-as-you-go is great, just know that there's always trade-offs, right? So some of these companies that give you a free-to-use pay-as-you-go, they're also potentially leveraging your data in some of their training. So whenever a company says, we don't want anyone training on our data, we need our own very secure large language model, that's where we come in to help with that secure LLM implementation.